Show me your card. You got card? Show me what's there. Your letter. Where is your letter?
Here?
No, that's mine.
Huh?
I think that's mine. Look. Where is yours?
Yeah.
What's that?
Here's Bella Gelatin. Hello. I have a birthstock.
They say hello. You have a Geburtstag. Really?
And say, I have a car.
You have a car too.
Is that our car?
Where?
Here. In the street.
In the street car. And who else? Ben and Geraldine and Listen.
Is that our car?
No, Listen. You know who is Listen? Who?
Car.
Not the car. That's their baby.
Wait.
She came out. Yeah, it's a girl.
Now it came out.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
You want to see? We will phone them tomorrow, okay?
Ja hoću vidjeti.
Šta hoćeš vidjeti?
Vidjeti ovdje Bella Gelatin.
It's not here. She's not here on the movie. She's in America with Ben and Geraldine.
Ja ću isto tamo ići.
You want to go too to America? Really? Why?
Because when it's cool there.
It's cool there. Really?
Yes.
You like it there? Huh?
Really?
You really? Why?
Because I want it. So I can do it. If I want to go there.
You wanna go there? Larissa, hi.